I am Puss in Boots. Holy frijoles. Hey, Giant! You want to see something cool? Gracias, the legend will never die.
Puss in Boots, you died.
I have 9 lives.
And how many times have you died already?
No. Puss in Boots doesn't need a spotter. Watch. Watch. A cat always lands on his feet. Watch.
You are down to your last life. Mama Luna's always on the lookout for a new lap cat.
I am no lap cat. I am Puss in Boots.
Not anymore.
Meow.
Meet Pickles!
Oh no.
This is a person party, Pickles. That's your party.
So this is where dignity goes to die.
Living my vida loca.
You don't look like a Pickles.
Well, you don't look like a cat.
Full disclosure, I'm a therapy dog. Wanna rub my belly?
Hard buzz.
Oh.
They found me. Goldilocks and the 3 Bears Crying family.
Make her talk.
Excuse me, my darling. We're looking for the legendary Puss in Boots. Have you perhaps seen him?
What's a Puss in Boots?
He is me.
Oh.
Normally, I have a sword. It's like a whole thing, you know?
Okay.
Next that cat, dead or alive, will be just right.
Bounty hunters. Kitty soft paws. I need your help.
Whenever I team up with you, things go wrong.
Cool! Another member of the team. I'm Puss's therapy dog.
Definitely not.
Finally, you need therapy.
Oh, I have got to learn how to do that.
Lives flashing before your eyes.
Pray for mercy from Puss in Boots.